like comparing apples and oranges. Meaning, comparing two things that are very different. Examples. Comparing a novelist to a poet is like comparing apples and oranges. You can't compare online learning to traditional classes. It's like comparing apples and oranges. A bite at the cherry. Meaning, a chance or opportunity to do something. Examples. She missed her first audition but got a second bite at the cherry. This promotion is a rare bite at the cherry for his career. In the soup. Meaning, in serious trouble or difficulty. Examples. If we don't meet the deadline, we'll be in the soup. He found himself in the soup after forgetting his boss's birthday. Take something with a grain of salt. Meaning, to not take something too seriously or literally. Examples. Take his advice with a grain of salt. He exaggerates a lot. And news on social media should be taken with a grain of salt. A gravy train. Meaning, a job or situation that provides easy money with little effort. Examples. He's riding the gravy train with his high-paying but easy job. The project turned out to be a real gravy train for investors. The cherry on top. Meaning, an extra benefit that makes something even better. Examples. The sunny weather was the cherry on top of our vacation. Getting a bonus was the cherry on top of an already great job. Butter someone up. Meaning, to flatter someone to gain their favor. Examples. He's trying to butter up the teacher before the exam. She buttered up her boss to get a promotion. She buttered up her boss to get a promotion. Squeeze the lemon. Meaning, to make the most of a situation or resource. Examples. We need to squeeze the lemon and maximize our budget. He squeezed the lemon of his talent to achieve success. Put the skids under. Meaning, to cause something to fail or happen quickly. Examples. The scandal put the skids under his political career. The manager put the skids under the project by cutting funding. Walk on eggshells. Meaning, to be very careful not to upset someone. Examples. Since the argument, I've been walking on eggshells around him. She had to walk on eggshells at work to avoid trouble. A plum opportunity. Meaning, a very desirable chance. Examples. The new job offer was a plum opportunity for her career. He got a plum opportunity to study abroad. Go nuts. Meaning, to act very excited or crazy. Examples: the crowd went nuts when the band started playing. He went nuts after hearing the surprise news. He went nuts after hearing the surprise news. Stew in one's own juice. Meaning, to suffer the consequences of one's actions. Examples: after ignoring my advice, he had to stew in his own juice. She made a bad decision and now has to stew in her own juice. A tough nut to crack. Meaning, a difficult problem or person to deal with. Examples: this math problem is a tough nut to crack. He's a tough nut to crack, but once you know him, he's friendly. The best thing since sliced bread. Meaning, a fantastic invention or idea. Examples: smartphones are the best thing since sliced bread. He thinks his new business plan is the best thing since sliced bread. Cry over spilled milk. Meaning, to be upset over something that cannot be changed. Examples: there's no use crying over spilled milk, just fix the mistake. He regrets quitting his job, but it's too late to cry over spilled milk. Juice up. Meaning, to make something more exciting or powerful. Examples: he juiced up his speech with some jokes. The party was juiced up with live music and fireworks. Nutty as a fruitcake. Meaning, very strange or crazy. Examples: his wild ideas make him seem nutty as a fruitcake. That theory sounds nutty as a fruitcake. A hard nut to swallow. Meaning, a difficult fact to accept. Examples: losing the championship was a hard nut to swallow. Finding out he was wrong was a hard nut to swallow.